Cash flow modelling is creating a map or a plan of where you are today. And what that uses is beautiful charts. It factors in all of your income coming in, your expenditure going out. It looks at what your expenditure looks like today, but also how you think it's going to change in the future. It factors in state pensions that are going to kick in the future, maybe final salary pensions. It looks at all of your rental income that's coming in, and it allows you to see very clearly what the position is that you're in today. And then what we do in the cash flow meeting is we tweak it and we play around with it. You might say, what if I were to stop work in 5 years? What if I were to stop work in 10 years? What if I were to never stop work at all? And we can plug that all into it, along with any one-off expenditures as well. So you might say, I'm going to stop work and I want to go on a massive holiday and spend £20,000 on it. Instead of that just being sprung upon you, we factor that into it. Maybe you say, you know what, I would like to help for my children's wedding, or I would like to help one of my children get onto the property ladder. We can build that all into it to make sure that it's affordable for you.